First things first, I'm taking my Anastasia Dual Brow Powder and just filling in my eyebrows. I'm just following my natural brow shape and filling in the sparse areas. Then I brush them out so that the color isn't so bold and dark. I always do my brows first just so I can clean them up with some concealer. Today I'm using Kat Von D's Lock It Concealer Cream and concealing my brows so that there isn't any fallout from the brow powder. I tend to use a concealer that's a couple shades lighter than my skin tone to brighten up any dark areas on my face. For foundation, I'm using Givenchy's Matisse Velvet Foundation, and this foundation is great for brightening up my skin and covering up my hyperpigmentation. However, this foundation isn't super full coverage, so I do have to build it up to really cover up my acne and scars. To add a bit more coverage, I'm applying some Bare Minerals powder foundation with a beauty blender and just covering up any dark spots and blemishes. Finally, to set everything in place, I'm taking my Chanel Translucent 2 powder and applying that to set my foundation. To contour my cheeks and jaw area, today I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer in medium deep matte. I use this to make my cheekbones a little bit more defined as well as slimming my face. For blush, I've been loving Kat Von D's Fetish Blush and Highlighter Palette, and today I'm using a mix of the shades Salem and Coven for a cool purple orange tone. To make sure that my makeup stays in place throughout the day, I'm just taking Caudalie Beauty Elixir, which is great at keeping my skin hydrated. Since I'm applying eyeliner that I want to last all day, I am priming my eyes with Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer and just blending it in with my finger. Then for base eyeshadow, I'm going in with the neutral light brown from Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. I'm using the shade Bougie and applying that all over the lid. For liner, I'm using Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner because it's easy to apply and doesn't move or transfer, which is perfect for the look that I'm going for. To start this signature look, I'm just making small strokes along the lash line like you would with a normal wing. Then I'm taking the liner into the crease, starting in the middle, making small strokes until I connect the liner at the end of the wing. After I'm done applying the liner, I'm just gonna clean up any smudges with a Q-tip. The last thing to finish off this look is highlight, and I'm using Bobbi Brown's highlight in Pink Glow on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my Cupid's bow to give a subtle glow. This is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!